Perfect. Hello, guys. Welcome to the Bollywood Talk Show on IWM Buzz. This is your host Shobhajit, and today I have with me two very amazing, talented actresses. तो है ही, लेकिन यहाँ पे there's a lot of prettiness that I can see in terms of the vibes over here. Thank you so much, Raima Sen and Shaili, for joining me over here. It's a pleasure. I can see your lovely smiling faces. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
The project itself, obviously, I want to know a lot of things, but to begin with, I'll ask Raima Di herself. Is the fact that obviously, अभी web show का जो content का जो ये format है ना, अभी यहाँ पे there's a lot of interesting stuff that's going on in terms of people experimenting with the kind of content that they have done, they have not done. So what made you say yes to this? Because I don't think we have rather seen you in anything like this. जितना मुझे trailer देख के समझ में आया.
This is my first, obviously, itna bada OTT platform, that too.
Yes,
And
yes.
when Amit Kumar, the director, he was in Calcutta, he was
Yes.
screen testing. So they asked me to do
Yeah.
a screen test. But I hadn't seen anything of his before. So I
Yeah.
saw his monsoon shootout. And then
Yes.
I really liked the film. The performances were fabulous and
Yeah.
the story had its twists. So I thought,
Yeah.
कि I want to work with this director. And I've never done a screen test in my life because I have a phobia.
Yeah.
This was the
Yeah.
first screen test I did, and I went in with no
Okay.
expectations. I thought even if I don't manage to pass it, I'll have at least
Yeah.
interacted with this director who I find extremely
Yeah.
different, intelligent, and he's got a vision. But then when after the screen test, he called me and he said, "I've got the role." So that was like a very proud moment for me. It's my first screen test ever, and then I got the role. And then he made me hear the script, and I thought it was very intriguing, very different, very authentic, original. This concept, I don't think we've seen before. This is Amazon's
Exactly.
first
Looks very new.
crime thriller. And the fact that it's going to be shown in 240 countries. And I thought, wow, I just got very lucky to be a part of this project.
Yeah. I hope the luck continues as well when the project comes out. I want to quickly move forward to Shaili right now. The fact is that, I obviously saw whatever little glimpse I saw of yours in the trailer. It has a very nice balance of sweetness and calm composure. जितना मुझे समझ में आया, my limited knowledge is concerned. So how did you actually get forward to, getting the balances right in terms of the emotions? Because I think you're portraying multiple emotions. So did you find it hard to strike a balance between all of that?
Not really. It was very easy to do, I think so. It's because when Amit sir selected all of us, he could relate to every character, how naturally also they are in real life. So like in real life, I am very conflicted, I have so many doubts. I always keep thinking and I have a lot of fear. So if you see, when you see the show, the girl is very much similar to me, how I am. Like even when we were shooting, I used to ask him, "Do you think the show will work?" So who asks that? Normally they won't. It's like तुम्हें chance मिल रहा है, तुम काम करो. So I would go on the table. Like we used to have this dinner, very interesting setups where we all used to sit together and eat and talk about other shows. So I always used to say, "Sir, पर हमारा show different है. Will it work? It has no sex. It has no fights. It has nothing like that." So everyone used to give me a look, "Stop it." So I think somehow the character also is very similar. She is standing in a place where she is very doubtful, wondering, thinking what's going to happen. I think that's how I am. So I think it was much. And Amit sir told me, like, I was like, "Kaise," obviously when you are debuting, you have so many questions कि अब कैसे acting होनी चाहिए क्या, and I'm not a trained actor. मैंने आज तक कभी भी कहीं से भी acting नहीं सीखी है. तो he told me, "Don't act, just behave." So I was like, okay. He said, "How you talk, this is how you have to talk there." So I think that made things very easy.
So basically, जितना मुझे समझ में आया वो ये है कि because the character is quite similar to you in real life, so that kind of helped you a lot. So acting ज़्यादा करनी नहीं पड़ी because that is what you are in reality. I want to move to Raima ji quickly. It's very interesting when I want to ask you this thing because it's something that not just me, I'm pretty sure a lot of people want to know. In our industry, I'm talking about the broader perspective, not just Hindi, overall. There's a certain way people in the Northeast have been portrayed, but I think after the trailer, there's a lot of appreciation that the trailer and the project is getting just for this factor itself. And Assam is particularly very near to our own hometown as well. So we are, we always have that influence around us all the time. So do you have anything to say regarding the portrayal of Northeastern people and the Northeastern part of the country in
Yes,
general? Because a lot of people
funnily
appreciate
enough,
it.
like half my Bengali films, we
Yeah.
shoot in the Northeast. I've shot
Yes,
million
yes,
Bengali films in
yeah,
Sikkim,
yeah,
Pelling,
yeah, yeah,
Darjeeling. But this was the
yeah,
first time that I was going for a web show to this
yeah,
interesting part. And
yeah,
normally, when I've done Hindi films or Hindi shows, we've not really shot in this kind of an interesting location, and it has a lot
yes,
of small places which we have
yeah,
yet to discover. And even though I've done a
yeah,
lot of Bengali films in that part, with
yeah,
this web show parts that we travel to, I have never seen those places before. So the
yeah,
audiences will definitely also get to know, the small places, the small towns also that
yeah,
the
yeah,
northeastern region has, and their culture is
yeah,
different. The food is
yeah,
different. They're all into
yeah,
like music, and so it's very different. So I think
yeah,
it adds to the story, and it's got that
yeah,
eerie silence. It's got those
yes,
rocky parts. It's got those
yeah,
silences, those tall
yeah,
trees. So it adds to
yeah,
the script. It's
yeah.
a character in
I,
itself.
yeah.
Say.
Yeah, I think it's beautiful, in terms of the aesthetics as well. I think it's absolutely on
And
point
our
because
native
it
fabulous
adds to the variation.
down there.
Yeah,
Yes.
you know,
And even
yes, yes,
the way it's shot and everything, I think
yeah,
it's giving that feel which
correct. Shaili, I want to ask you this thing. Raimadi has always been working very nicely, be it the Bengali industry or the Hindi industry. मैं तो बहुत time से देख रहा हूँ इनका काम, but I'm pretty sure with this project you got to know her on a personal level in multiple ways. इसके पहले, before obviously this one, did you get to see any of her interesting projects? Which are her favorites, if you have seen anything in the past?
Yes, I have seen a lot of her work. My favorite film is Chokhar Bali with Aishwarya, and
Oh, absolutely.
Aishwarya is she's my favorite, and she's a face that I always think that no one can overtake her on screen in terms of beauty. But the day I saw that film, then I was inquisitive to know more about Raima, because I felt she actually overshadowed her in the film in terms of the beauty.
I love the smile on her face when she hears this.
I'm like, I have been telling this in all the interviews that I'm in love with her beauty. So
yeah,
she always says that.
Yeah, अभी हम लोग को पहली बार सुनने को मिल रहा है. I'm pretty sure she must have told you that multiple times while shooting.
Many times.
But what are the things that you liked about her? I mean, obviously, जितना मैंने trailer में देखा, she looks pretty good, and I'm looking forward to see more of her work once it comes out. But you have worked with her, you have been there with her on the sets when she was working, and she's not a trained actor. So for somebody like that suddenly to come up into a project like this and work with stalwarts, it's not easy. What are the things that are really, really nice which you have observed about Shaili, being an experienced actress yourself?
I think she's, even though it's her debut, I think she's very intelligent, and she knows her character. And I think that acting has come effortlessly to her. And she's very confident being a newcomer. And she's so young, and she was very, very confident. And, she kept asking questions. And so I like that, like she's interested to know, and I liked her confidence, actually. I mean, in my first debut, I was not as confident as, her. I did Godmother. And I was dying. I was so scared. But I like how she came, like raw, natural. And, I think she's got a great screen presence. Even in the trailer, her eyes really talk. She's got beautiful
very
eyes.
glittery.
Yeah. So I think she's really apt for this show. Really, I think Amit chose well.
I think there's a lot of mutual appreciation that's going on, and I can see very happy faces over there.
She's very childlike. Yes, she's very childlike.
So that's a cherry on top in itself, of course.
Yeah.
But one thing that I would like to know from both of you is the fact that obviously it's a happy times in terms of the fact that it's a new project coming. You want to entertain your fans, you want to entertain your audience, but also the situation around is really grim and troublesome. Do you think that at this point of time, when you're coming up with a project like this, a lot of people are at home? So does it add to the exciting factor कि नहीं यार चलो घर पे बैठे हैं, there's an exciting project that's coming up? Do you think that's something that's going to add up?
There's a lockdown also. So I think a lot of people will watch it.
Yeah. What do you have to say on that, Shaili? Do you have anything to comment?
But I think OTT OTT platforms are the answer for tomorrow, because now I think a lot of people will not go out unnecessarily because of the situation at the moment. They will want to watch what giving them at home.
Yeah,
So I
absolutely.
think it's a good time also.
Yeah.
I think see,
Really?
now we have lot of content on all the platforms, if you see, because we can see any language across the world. But I think I'm very positive about our show because it's very different. In the sense, the story is very different. You're presenting a new particular character, which I think never in India has been spoken about, shaman, you know. So me as an audience, if you tell me, oh, there is something coming on which speaks about a shaman, so I'll be like, oh, what is shaman? You know, I want to know about it. So I have seen hundreds of love stories. I have seen hundreds of fights, but I have never seen a character called, you know, who is playing a shaman who can interact with. And always, you know, I think while growing up, me, or I think even you or all of us, we always have this thing with our mind and heart कि क्या, you know, is there any world, you know, उस पार भी कोई दुनिया है क्या, you know, we always want to know कि does is there something else, you know, आत्मा है नहीं है क्या है. So I think with this show you could relate, you could maybe get those answers, or maybe actually see something, you know, which you always want to know. So I think it's very, very different, and I would want to watch it even if I'm not a part of this show. I would want to watch something like this. So I think it's great, you know.
Yeah, plain and simply because of the freshness in the plot line. Now, काफी I would say not really a very something pertinent to the project, but एक general fun सवाल जो कि बनता है, because it's something that has to do with horror in general. We all have that bit inside our hearts where कभी ना कभी some people are like, you know, हर चीज से बहुत ज्यादा डर लगता है. Some people are like absolutely fearless. So I want to know from you guys, which category do you belong in? Raimati and Shaili, मतलब you are in that category who feels very scared कुछ भी हो जाए, या फिर मतलब अरे यार भूत कुछ नहीं होता?
No, I love watching horror, crime, you know, serial killers. It's always been my favorite. Supernatural, the mysterious. And earlier when I used to watch it, I used to keep the lights on and sleep. But now I'm not so scared anymore now, but I don't watch it at night. I watch it in the daytime. Because at night I feel a bit scared, but I haven't experienced anything, but I'm sure there is some truth to all this.
Yeah. Something supernatural. Shaili, you want to add anything to that?
Like superstitions and like coincidences and like they say so many things. Yeah, good energy, bad energy, karma, soul, higher purpose, universal. Something to it.
Lot of stuff. Shaili, what about you? Do you feel scared or?
Ouija board, we used to do plan sheet. So we've done all that when you were good.
Yeah. So do you feel scared of the ghost, or are you scared the ghost itself?
I'm a bit scared.
What about you, Shaili?
मुझे तो हर चीज से डर लगता है. तो ghost is very outdated, you know. मुझे तो ये डर लग रहा है अभी कि कल क्या होगा हमारे शो में, और फिर मुझे कैसा बॉयफ्रेंड मिलेगा. You know, there are so many डर in me already that Bhoot can't do anything. Maybe Bhoot will come. I am going to tell me something, you know. So I'm really not very scared of ghosts and all that, you know. I don't think so. I think it would be interesting to meet a ghost.
Okay, that's really interesting to hear that as well. Gives me nice thoughts in my mind as well. आप लोग के साथ बात करके, all I can say is that feel scared about ghosts. That's absolutely fine, but don't feel scared about your project. I think it's really lovely, and all the best to you guys for this. And आप भी अपने boyfriend की वजह से मत डरे. I'm pretty sure you'll get a lovely guy in the future as well. Wish you all the best for everything that you do in your professional as well as your personal life. And thank you so much for talking to us and being over here. It's a pleasure. मुझे बहुत मजा आया. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.